Good evening everybody, I'm Dr. Sai Rashmi and I'm a pediatrician, and today I'm going to be talking about COVID-19 drugs in lactating mothers. A lot of you have been asking me about what drugs are safe and not safe to use in lactating mothers, so this video is for you guys. First of all, I would like to discuss the common drugs that are used, such as paracetamol, and sometimes we use heparin and warfarin as well. These are compatible with lactation and they're compatible with breastfeeding. Now coming on to some specific drugs such as azithromycin, doxycycline, favipiravir, remdesivir, corticosteroids. So first coming to azithromycin and doxycycline. Azithromycin is a macrolide antibiotic and it is used as either a prophylaxis or sometimes treatment in cases of mild and moderate severity. Azithromycin, the data shows that there is very insignificant amounts of azithromycin that is excreted in the breast milk, and it is probably safe to use during lactation. Talking about doxycycline. Doxycycline is basically a tetracycline antibiotic, and this antibiotic is generally not preferred to use during lactation because it causes enamel hyperplasia or it can cause some amount of diarrhea in the new infant. So, and the T half-life of doxycycline is around 22 hours. So when you are on doxycycline, you can continue the treatment of doxycycline, wait for another day after you stop the doxycycline, and then you start breastfeeding after 24 hours of you stopping the drug. Now the next one is ivermectin. It is an antiparasitic. It is used in oncoriosis and other antiparasitic diseases. Ivermectin is generally used as a prophylaxis and again as treatment for mild and moderate cases. Ivermectin, the current data shows that insignificant amounts of ivermectin is present in the breast milk, so you can give ivermectin to breastfeeding mothers. Next, when we come to antivirals such as favipiravir. Favipiravir, the trade name is FabiFlu. FabiFlu, the data that is present on favipiravir and breastfeeding is insignificant. So there is currently no data present, and so it is better to avoid favipiravir during lactations, or if you have to give favipiravir, the half-life is around 2 to 5 hours. So it is better to again wait for 12 to 24 hours after you stop the favipiravir treatment and then give breastfeeding again. Next coming to is remdesivir. Remdesivir is given as an IV drug. It is antiviral and it is used as the treatment for either like moderate or severe cases of coronavirus right now. If the mothers are given remdesivir is an IV drug mainly, and the excretion in breast milk is very less because of the high molecular weight that remdesivir is, and even if it is excreted, very little of the remdesivir that is present in the breast milk is absorbed by the neonate's gut. So it is probably safe to give again during lactation. Now coming to corticosteroids. Corticosteroids such as prednisolone, methylpred, dexamethasone. Prednisolone, methylpred, again the T half-life is around 3 to 4 hours. The dexamethasone, the half-life is 72 hours. Methylpred is given as an IV, prednisolone and dexamethasone are given as both oral. And this is given for the inflammatory response that happens, excessive inflammatory response that happens during COVID. Prednisolone is safe to give during lactation. Dexamethasone and methylpred, there is not enough data for me to tell you anything. The next drug is immunomodulators. Immunomodulators such as alpha interferons and beta interferons and tocilizumab. So in immunomodulators such as alpha interferon, beta interferon, tocilizumab, all these three are safe to give during lactation. They're safe to give and they're compatible with lactation. Hope this information helps you and guides you in a better way. Thank you so much, and please like and share if you do.